Welcome traders to new video. This is real account 644521. We are going to check where you are currently seeing the 19,000 nearly the loss, but in this account we are booked the 50,000 plus profit in last 2 days in the Audi NZD pair. And you can see that how the buy and the sell lot size we are open into this trade, and most into the buy side we are booked the very good profit as per the moment we are capture. And definitely you can see all the details about this account. So now I'm going to show you all the details of this account. So basically you can see the history of this account, where the currently the day profit, you can see that in a 1 day the 17,396.94 USD profit is booked, and 2125 USD is the means the withdrawal is done. And I'm showing you the custom history of this respective account, so you can see that all the details in this account. So see, the profit of this account is 53,486.42, and where the deposit is the 10,000 USD and withdrawal 2125. You can see all the trades into the Audi NZD pair we have done in this account. Basically you can see that all the buy and the sell position, where the profit small profit but the very good profit in this account we are book as per the opportunity we are traded. And if you can see that the Audi NZD pair, basically we have selected this pair because it is trading into the range bound, means it is not going into the beyond means any with the buy side, and it is not going to the below into that sell side. So it is in particular of the range bound it is trading. So as per that one we are trading, and with this the excellent profit we are gaining. And if you can see that the selection of this pair, there is one more reason is that Audi and New Zealand both are the means parallel currencies. Those are trading on the direction of means having a same amount of the means currency value. So like that these are the very easy pair for the trade, and the momentum of this pair is very good as per we wanted to show into the trading. And that is why we have selected this pair for the trade, and perfectly the profit is going to done in this respective account. And if you can see that all the trades and all the profit where we are taken the position, mostly from the 0.50 lot size we are open, and in the range of 130 to the 125 somewhere we have booked the profit of $24.17. Like that we have got a profit and some losses also with the trade. So here you can see that all the information clearly you can see with the precise manner I have updated. And this is the way we are showing we are making a profit in the forex trading. So this is the one of the account where the maximum ROI of the $300 plus we are book. And now I'm showing you that I'm going to book the complete loss, as a client allow us to book the loss in his account. And so totally whatever the loss side the trades are open with nearly about a 20,000 USD I'm going to close in this account, because as in 2 days means of the profit, it is a 300% ROI we got it for the clients. And basically we don't want to keep it the loss open for the trades, and just we are closing all the trades into this account. So you can see that all the trades we are closed one by one in his account. And so I am closing all the trades. You can see the one by one those are the trades are open closing in his account, so that the you can check the live information of this account and how the trades are going to be closed. No matter it is a profit and loss, but ultimately the client should get the profit. So we got the confirmation from the client, so according to that only we are closing all the trades in the Audi NZD, where we are having a profit and a loss both we are closing on that side, so that client get the update, and client ultimately get the profit from this trades. So basically I'm closing all the trades, so you can see that there the all the trades are one by one closing, and now you can see that the profit the account is nearly the 32,852.42 with the deposit of the 10,000 and withdrawal of the 2125 already. So this is why this account, and if you can see all the trades we already closed for this account, and nearly booked the loss of 20,000 USD in his account, and some of the trades are currently going into this account for the trades. So this is what we are trading, and we have opened some of the positions for the trade, so that the trades will going to be open and trader get more profit. So this is what all the trades we have been closed in this account, and now you can see that the next trades are going to be open, and in that you can see the profit ultimately which client is going to see, and see few trades we open, and you can see that the profit is reached to another 4,000 plus USD 436.78. And so after booking some of the loss, we again traded the account, and basically got the profit on that side. And so this is what we are basically trading each and every account. So this is quite a good profit, and now I'm closing a one by one these profitable trades also, so that ultimately whatever the loss, little bit of loss which we have made in the client account, which is nearly the 20,000 USD, will again cover up with this, so almost 4,500, so that client get a more profit. Okay, so you can see that all the trades I'm going to close in this account, and one by one all the trades will be again closing. So all the trades will close, and you will see all the profit at the end of the trades once close in his account. So basically this is the kind of the way, if trades are going to be happened, so ultimately client is going to take only the profit, and that's why we are trading with the trend, and with this trend we are getting a maximum profit in this respective pair. So ultimately these are the results of our trades, and on the profit and loss, what are the trades we are doing it, and according to that these are the trades are going to be profit. So you can see here in this account all the trades are going on, one by one the trades are going to be closed, and you can see the balance and the equity of this respective trades for the client will be done. And see all the trades, you can see the profit and deposit, credit, all the information, all the details. You can see that the one by one the trades will be closed in his account, and so basically all the profits we are going to capture, and ultimately the trades will be closed. So you can see that all the profit and the closing of the trades are going on. You can see into the profit section all the trades are closing one by one, and withdraw trades and everything you can see for the day trade, all the things which we are closing, and ultimately we will book the profit in the client's account at the end of the day. So all these are the trades we are closing, and all the trades will be done in the client's account. So this is the kind of the orders we are taking, and this is the results, means the lot of results. You can see that ultimately the profit and trades, those are closed in the client account. It is basically only because of the profit and the loss, those are going to be a part of trading, but ultimately the trades matter, and that's why we are having such a huge profit in last few days of trading. So this is the custom trades. You can see all the trades how we are traded and how the trades are closed. In the history also you can check all the details once again. So basically this is the trading done, and you can see that ultimately the profit of 37,225 book in the client's account, and the balance is reached to 45,075, where the withdrawal of the 2125. So this is what we are booked in this client account. and this is what we are trading. So now I am going to show the another account for where we are traded and book the profit. So this is another account of 650698. This is the client's another real account where you can see the trades, how we have made a profit in his account. So ultimately you can also see that with the small capital also we are gathering good profit. So here the 2000 is the credited amount from the client's end, and the profit we made is almost a 5 to 49.48. It is almost a higher profit we are done in his account. And you can see that here all the trades of the euro, and we are open all the positions into the buy side, and some of the trades you can see all the trades into the buy, profit and loss, what are the trades we are taken into the client's account. So basically the lot size as per the capital we are trading it. And if you can see the maximum euro GBP trades where the profit and loss, you can check with this account, and basically we are trading accordingly. So ultimately if you are having your account with us, so you will see the same kind of result in your account. At the end of the day you will see the profit only, where we are trading as per the trend and getting it this profit. So I say goodbye with this video, and we will come back to you with the next video. Thanks a lot for